Changing the email link to your Wells Fargo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app and enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings section in the menu. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile or Settings menu, look for an option labeled Contact Information or the Email Preferences. Click on this to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the current email address listed and select the option to edit or change it. Enter your new email address and confirm it if prompted. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your email, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your Wells Fargo account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wells Fargo customer support for assistance.